How to check last backup on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Scroll down and go to iCloud Backup. iCloud Backup automatically backs up your iPhone so you can restore your data if you lose your device or get a new one. Now, scroll down to the end of the page to check your last backup date as shown. You can also tap on Backup Now if you want to back up your device again. Following these steps, you can easily check last backup on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.